Been waiting for the vaccine.
I've been here from 11 o'clock.
You think that's an acceptable time to be waiting for the vaccine?
No, because the sun is very hot.
What encouraged you to be vaccinated today?
Well, honestly, based on what everybody says, it's good for us to take. So therefore, I'm giving it a shot for the first time. But definitely, I'm diabetic, so hope in a class no impact on my diabetic. Just that I'm praying that's not go wrong after that.
Do you have any concerns as to side effects? Are you worried about anything?
No, not that I'm aware of at this moment.
Alright, so you pray about it.
Yes, I pray about it before I come here. Because I don't want to lose my job. My pressure to take it, so I just make up my mind to come and take it today.
Is it that your job is pressuring you to take the vaccine?
Yes. It's new people like one band. As what them say. So I just work for the system. I don't want to lose my job at this moment. So that's what put food on the table. Huh?
Is it a public or a private school?
No man, a public school. See a number group. Yeah, so they're ordering us to take it. So therefore, make up my mind to come and take it. As they say, we're working amongst other workers and students. If school do open next month.
So has the school said that there will be sanctions for those who don't take the vaccine?
Well, honestly, I don't really know them. So majority of them take it already. So we decided, say, all right, then we're willing to come and take it today.
Bless up everyone. According to an Observer article dated August 29th, the Ministry of Labour and Social Security has advised that Jamaica's current laws do not support mandatory vaccinations against for workers. Gillian Carruthers, who is the contributing lawyer, said that the International Labour Organization ILO standards do not promote such a position. However, if the government of Jamaica were to take this position, it would have to be in line with Convention 111, which speaks to discrimination.